Hey everybody, Rick Needham handicapping Greyhound Racing from Wheeling Downs, Wheeling, West Virginia on Sunday, January the 18th. This is my day at the track.com Greyhound race of the day. Let's take a look at race 5 this afternoon, folks. 2:15 p.m. Eastern Post Time. Grade C affair. These pups are sprinting 548 yards. Using a software product called Quick Dog, I've isolated a power pup to put on top of my multiple entry contenders list, and on this entry this afternoon, number 1, Whiskey Breeze, I'll make a win place and show wager. Also like to play the Boxed Exotics, the box gimmicks here at Wheeling, so along with number 1 today will be boxing number 8, Arcan Caesar, number 6, Egyptian, and number 5, GLS Hydrogen. That's 1865 in the 5th from Wheeling Downs. Quick Dog software has helped me isolate a pair of very playable power pup long shots. I'm going to suggest win, place, and show wagers on both of these entries. The first comes in race 3. Win, place, and show on a 4-1 shot. Number 3, AMF Clear Path. And in race 4, win, place, and show on an 8-1 shot. Number 1, Cedar Vince. So handicapping from Wheeling Downs on a Sunday, Rick Needham for day at the track.com. Reminding you as always to please bet with your head, not over it.